Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to comment multiple lines in Visual Studio Code. So, first of all guys, before we start anything with that, I will show you how to get Visual Studio Code in the first place, which is pretty much easy. Let's go to your Visual Studio Code and then all you need to do is actually go to visualstudio.com and then click on download for Windows if you want to install it for Windows, or else if you want to install it for macOS Linux, you can just try it over here to start from here, or you can just go to open on web to actually open it in web and start using it like normally installed in PC. The other thing that guys I want to give you, which is an information about Visual Studio Code. There is two softwares that are similar in the logo and the name, which is Visual Studio and Visual Studio Code. Please do not download Visual Studio, which is the purple logo. Make sure that you are on Visual Studio Code. They are completely different different softwares. I mean, different, completely different tasks and functions. So that's why I really made my time to tell you like to not download this one and to download this one. Now, how to actually comment multiple lines in Visual Studio Code? It is pretty simple. First of all, there's a mistake that a huge amount of people make, which is if you want to a normal document, there is nothing that's called a comment. So when you try the method that I'm going to show you, it's not gonna work actually in the normal text. So if I click here control and I make something like control QC, it's not gonna work. But if I want to make actual code and I'll write something like that, it's actually going to work as you can see. So the comment it is control and C, control Q, key K and C, and it will actually let you comment the whole code and it will no longer function and it will be only a code for you, so you can write whatever you like here. So guys, that's what it is for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.